Hi everybody, welcome to Mrslinskitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Taro and Sago coconut milk dessert. This is a classic Chinese sweet soup dessert that's often served at Chinese restaurants after you finish your meals. It's simple to prepare at home, so let's get started. Here is the ingredients overview. The taro you see here, it's about 4 pounds and it was the smallest one I could get at my local supermarket. I will only use 1 pound for this recipe. If you have extra taro, you can always freeze it and use it later. If you cannot find fresh taro, you can use frozen taro as well. I use 1 cup of cane sugar in the video, but feel free to use other types of sugar and adjust the sugar amount according to your taste. You might not have heard of sago, but you probably know boba or tapioca plural. Sago is the tiny version of tapioca plural and it's used in many Asian desserts. Sago comes in different brands, so get the one that's available in your local stores. First, let's boil the sago. Here I have 4 cups of water and you want to bring it to a boil. The key to successfully cook sago is you need to add enough water for the sago to absorb and swell up. The ideal ratio for water and sago is 16:1, but more is better. Since I use 1/4 cup of sago, I need 4 cups of water. When water starts to boil, add the sago. Make sure you stir the sago frequently so they won't stick to the bottom of the pot. Boil sago for 10 to 15 minutes, then turn off the heat. So this is how sago looks like after 12 minutes of cooking. They're not completely transparent yet, so you will need to cover the pot and just let the sago sit for another 10 to 20 minutes. When white center is gone and sago is transparent, then it's done. Next, rinse the cooked sago under water to get rid of slimy starches on the outside. Drain out the water and quickly transfer sago to a bowl of ice cold water. Sago will be chewy this way. After 10 minutes, take the sago out. Now let's prepare and cook the taro. First, peel the taro skin. I will show you 2 versions of cooking taro in this video, and you can pick the version that best fits your taste. Wash the taro and then cut it into 1-inch cubes. In the first version, put the taro cube in a clean bowl and steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out some taro cubes if you like to serve your dessert with some taro chunks. Continue to steam the rest of taro for 10 more minutes. When taro is done, take it out. In a food mixer, pour in 2 cups of water. Add the steamed taro and blend until everything is smooth. Blending taro in a mixer this way will release all the starches in the taro and this mixture will be thicker. Next, pour the taro mixture into a clean pot. Add in 4 more cups of water. Add the taro chunks, then heat up the taro mixture until it's about to boil. Stir frequently so it doesn't burn at the bottom. The consistency of this mixture should be runny and not pasty. Because starch content is different depending on the maturity of taro, so you will need to adjust the water accordingly. Before it starts to boil, add 1 to 2 cups of sugar. You can adjust the sweetness depending on your taste. Turn off heat when the taro mixture comes to a boil. To serve your taro and sago coconut milk dessert, first add taro mixture in a serving bowl. Next, add about a spoonful of sago and a spoonful of coconut milk. Adjust the amount of each ingredient according to your liking, and the dessert is ready to be served. This is the second version. Add taro to a clean pot, then add 6 cups of water. Bring the mixture to a boil. Then cover the pot and turn down heat to medium. Cook it for 20 to 30 minutes. Add 1 cup of sugar and stir it well. If you like your taro soup chunkier, stop cooking earlier. If you like it smoother, then cook it longer. I prefer cooking taro soup this way because it's less viscous. Serve the taro same way as the first version. You can enjoy taro and sago coconut milk hot or cold. If you like it cold, refrigerate the taro mixture before serving. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next recipe. Let me know in the comment area what is your favorite Chinese and Japanese dessert. Thanks again for watching. Happy eating and see you in my next video.